Hey guys, welcome back to Taco Cat 9. And if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. It's free, and you can, but you don't have to. I just really appreciate if you do. But today I'm going to be doing things I hate about squishies. I don't hate squishies like in general. I just like some things I don't like about them. Which that is my sister. But yeah, things I hate about squishies. Let's get on to the video. So guys, first thing first I hate about squishies is some squishies get so defected so easily. Example, this ice cream cone I got like the first day I squished it and it got ripped. And it like has a bunch of holes in it in the cone. It's not even painted correctly. And it smells horrible. That brings me to my next thing is scents. I do like scents, but there's some I don't like. Like, for example, this squishy smells so good. And it's so good. Like, it smells awesome. It doesn't smell like cheeseburgers because that would be nasty. It smells good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells good. And then, when you sell, I'm trying to find one of them. This squishy, it smells awful.
What?
Like, I would rather have this so much better. Like, next thing next is thin squishies. I hate when squishies are so thin, like you can barely even squish them. Like,
Charlotte likes the big ones.
Yeah, I like big squishies, like peach this,
And the strawberry.
and like big squishies. And why do squishies have to be so tiny? Like, it shouldn't be this tiny or this tiny. I know it's cute, but like, you can't squish it. Makes no sense. What? Next thing next is mochi squishies. In general, they get so dirty so fast. Like, you squish them one time in your hand, they get completely destroyed with dirt. Like, see how dirty that is? Like, I don't get it. Like, this white unicorn's not that dirty, so I want to give it to my friend, but it's still dirty. I don't get it. It's so annoying. Well, guys, that was me saying all the stuff I dislike about squishies. Yeah, well, make sure to subscribe, like, this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.